Des. All set now, ready to race. Race number 11, penultimate race here sa Dalang Club's Leisure Park, Naik, Cavite, the home of Sport of Kings, where racing is always at its best. Anytime now, race number 11. And the race is on. Sopo King from the outside, moving up by the Red Cassidy here. And under further outside is Mr. Mackey, moving up down on the inside, entry number 2. And this one's Magic of Music. Sopo King by about 3 lengths. Cassidy in second. Racing on the outside, Mr. Mackey. Lucky Joe Lucky is racing on the outside. Then comes Magic of Music. Moving up now is High. And rounding the far turn, Sopo King by about 2 lengths. Followed now by the favorite Lucky Joe Lucky. Mr. Mackey down on the inside, racing in port now is High. As they swing for it's now Lucky Joe Lucky on the outside. Mr. Mackey is down on the inside. Sopo King High with the last 150 meters more to run. Mr. Mackey, Lucky Joe Lucky to grab the lead. It's now Lucky Joe Lucky. Mr. Mackey down on the inside. Mr. Mackey, Lucky Joe Lucky, and finally close between Lucky Joe Lucky, Mr. Mackey. High.